Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, and I know that it has been a long time since I came with you guys with another video, but I'm back with another video today. So today I just decided to post another product review on a product that I was using. I only used it twice, but I've done two different types of hairstyles within those times that I used it. First time that I used it, it was for a wash and go. And this time when I used it, which was last week, it was for a twist out or like flat twists so I could have them in for work. And I'm finally able to post another video because I'm not at work. So yeah, like guys, it'd be so hard to post because I have two jobs and then I have a life and then I have a house to take care of and stuff like that too. Yeah, I'm not running this house by myself, but still there's a lot that goes into, having a house and stuff like that too. So, yeah, just life is the thing that I'm getting at. So, it'd be hard for me to post. But anyway, without further ado, let's just hop into what this video is really about. So, I'm doing a product review on this product here. The product that I got was a double pack of this. It's deep conditioner. It's the Curls Professional Curl Ecstasy Hair Tea Deep Conditioner, and it says repair moisture, define your curls. It says it's a heat activated Asian tea conditioner, transforms dry, damaged, parched tresses in a snap, formulated with certified or organic aloe, leaf juice, green tea, and chamomile extract. So yeah, it has really good stuff in it. And I think this is by, like, don't quote me on this, but I think this is by the same person that does, like, the whole Blueberry Bliss line and all that stuff. But I'm not for sure. And then it has none of the bad stuff in it, like the sulfates, the silicones, the parabens, or the artificial oils, because those are all bad stuff for your hair. Like, in case you guys didn't know, those are things that cause for your hair to be dry, damaged, and brittle. And it says also that it has no fillers. It has natural ingredients for natural hair as well. So yeah. So now my first initial reaction when I got this product was, oh, okay. It came in a really cute bottle. When I opened it up and I smelled it, I thought that it smelled like popsicle sticks when I first smelled it, but now that I smell it, it smells like, I don't know, it does smell like green tea a little bit, like tea, like herbally, but not to the point to where it smells like, bad or whatever. And the smell's not lingering at all. Like, there's some deep conditioners that I've used where when I put it in my hair, it overpowers what I have in my hair for everything else. Like, I could put in leave-in conditioner and a cream or something like that, and the deep conditioner is the only thing that you can smell. So that's a plus about this because I kind of don't really like the long lingering smells and stuff like that. Like, that's kind of, it's a little much sometimes. It's also very thick, as you can see, it's taken a while to get down to the bottom. So yeah, it's very thick, which is one of the cons for this because when my hands are wet and I'm really putting product in, it takes me a minute to get this out of the container because of the way that it's shaped. Like, I kind of like when it comes in like a little jar or something, and then I could just kind of peel the cap off and then scoop some out. Like, those are way better for me. Like, I don't really like when I have to struggle to get this stuff out. And it also says that it's heat activated, but each time that I use this, I never used heat. And I don't know if I'll get a different result. It's just I'm lazy, guys, when it comes to my hair. Like, I'm a lazy natural. Like, when it comes to doing my hair, I just want to do it, get it out the way, and, that's it. Now, it's a little different when I'm out for like the summer and stuff like that because I just have time. But when I have to go to work and stuff like that in the morning, I just be trying to get my hair done and go. So, yeah, I'm really lazy, but I'm definitely gonna try to do this with heat maybe at least one time to see if I notice a difference. And then I'll maybe do like an update review or something, hair review on this. Um, but yeah, other than that, it's a pretty cool product. It's very softening. Like when I use this product for my twist out or my flat twists and for my wash and go, it was very, very, very softening. I think I liked it better when I was doing my wash and go because I don't know, like I feel like if a product does well with my wash and goes, I like it more than for when it just does good for my twist outs, because my wash and goes are like my ideal hair. Like um I like my twist outs and stuff too. It's just it in the summer and stuff like that, I don't really use like gel and stuff like that for my twist out. I mean, I used it for this one, but I just use that little Shea Moisture one that doesn't really have much hold. So I'm guessing if I use maybe a better one, then it would come out better. But yeah, as of right now, like I'm just like, I really like the way this was with the wash and go, because like with the wash and go it was so soft, then like it was easy for me to put in my products and all that stuff. I didn't really have to like detangle that much, which that's like good for me. Like whenever I don't have to detangle and stuff like that, and I feel like my hair is easy to part and stuff, that is a good product. So I really liked it because of that. And it says that you have to detangle it with a wide tooth comb. Usually um when I'm doing my hair, I only detangle it one time, and that's when I'm about to style. I don't like to really like detangle my hair multiple times because I feel like that's just like gonna make a lot of hair shed. And I'm not trying to lose hair, so I just detangle one time, and that's for when I'm about to style. Then wrap it under a plastic cap, which I always do that every time that I deep condition. I don't care if even it doesn't say like wrap it with a plastic bag or a plastic cap. I always deep condition with a plastic cap or like a grocery store bag if I don't have any plastic caps. And then it says leave it in for 20 to 25 minutes. And I leave it in for the max amount of time that it usually says to leave products in for, because I just want to make sure that I'm getting all the added moisture that I'm supposed to get. Sometimes I leave it in for a little longer because, when I'm deep conditioning, I like to do multiple stuff. So, yeah, sometimes I leave it in for a little bit longer. And yeah, then they say just rinse it out and then you proceed to style. So some of the ingredients in this. So one of the first things that I see that they have as an ingredient is water. So that's good because they say that usually when products start with when the main ingredient is water, that's probably the best to go for, because that means that, it's like a natural product or whatever, I guess. But I don't know. I've just heard like lots of naturals say that. So I'm guessing that it's like a good thing. If the product has water, then it's good. Then it has like a bunch of other stuff, like this word that I can't even pronounce. Some more words I can't pronounce. Then it has like in parentheses that it's soybean oil. But there's also like soy protein in this, shea butter. So there's a pretty good amount of stuff in it that, is good for naturals and stuff like that. Like I'm not too big on reading labels and stuff like that. Like I just look for if it doesn't have sulfates, like these things. If it says that it doesn't have like sulfates, silicones, parabens, things like that, then that's like the main stuff that I look for. Other than that, I'm not too big on, is this a natural product? Like I don't be doing that. So, cuz like I said, I'm really lazy when it comes to my hair. Like I care for my hair and stuff like that, and I really like for it to turn out well, but I'm like really lazy when it comes down to my natural hair, so yeah. But anyway, guys, I think that that is about it on this video. Oh, and as far as pricing goes with this product, I believe that I paid like, I can't even remember how much I paid, but for two products, it was under 20 bucks, I think, for two of these deep conditioners. So it was really affordable and inexpensive. But yeah, it was very affordable. So you guys don't even have to worry about breaking your bank, because I'm sure if you just pay for one, then it's definitely gonna be very inexpensive. But I'm not gonna make this video too long, because I want people to be able to watch this without feeling like they have to skip through. Sorry for my attire. It's Saturday and I don't really dress up on Saturdays sometimes. And I didn't really feel like dressing up today. So yeah, but yeah, just be sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you like this video and if it was helpful. And if you'll be trying out these products, make sure you follow me on my social media, which is Fab Victoria 94 on Instagram. And if you want to follow me on Snapchat too, there's some pictures on my Instagram where you could go find my Snapchat name. I don't be good at remembering all my Snapchat and Instagram names and stuff like that. You could just go follow me. I will have everything linked down below. Just check the description box, all that stuff. But yeah, just comment, like, subscribe. If you have any other video ideas that you want me to do that's kind of relating to my channel, be sure to leave those down below as well. I should be doing a vlog soon, maybe sometime next month, because I am going somewhere next month. So, yeah, I should be able to vlog that whole like experience and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop talking now. Go ahead and do all that stuff for me, guys. Thanks for watching.